I would like to give you one last suggestion.
One last suggestion that I like to give you guys. Don't.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in which we are going to talk what are the new techniques in the market these days by which anybody can learn any language. Since we are here for English learning, so obviously we'll be talking here some English learning new techniques, new ideas, new methods of learning English very effectively, very fluently. Everybody has mobile phone these days, everybody is loving and into technology these days, it's booming these days. So we must take advantage of all this, but very few people are aware how to use technology in order to achieve the goal of learning English language. Make sure to watch this video till the end. We are going to starting this with Astik. What are the new techniques in the market these days that are very helpful for spoken English?
First, mirror speaking. Take a mirror and speak by observing the mirror. By this, you can't be hesitate. Firstly, face you, then face the audience.
Hey, very nice. Firstly, face yourself, then face the audience. Very good. What are the new techniques that you feel is very okay for the audience, Mr. Shiv Shankar?
Sir, I feel these days this is technology era. I feel if we will practice with AI, there are many AI through which we can practice. So I feel talking to AI is more beneficial.
Alright, so what are the new AI tools by which they all can practice?
We can talk to ChatGPT, we can talk to Meta AI, we can talk to Gemini, and the other things that I am using, that watch muted videos and try to speak in reality what they are speaking. Focus on their lip, what they are pronunciating the word.
Wow, that's a great idea. Seriously, that's a great idea. When you watch a muted video without sound and you imitate them, when you narrate them as a story, this gives you immense power of speaking. That's really good. What do you think, Asta? What are the new techniques that you have opted as an idea and what to suggest the audience to implement them in their life so that they can improve their fluency of speaking English?
They can improve their spoken English by doing those things which they like. Like they like to dance, then they can dance on English songs. Like they like to sing, then they can sing English songs. And they like to watch movies, then they can watch English movies. And if they like to watch any match like cricket, then they can watch it in English.
All right, so you mean to say whatever you do that in English. Suppose you watch, or you are a person, a job seeker who, watches news all the time. So you must watch English news channels, you must visit English speaking channels where you find them speaking that in English, and when you listen to them, you improve a lot. Buddy, what is your idea of speaking English, or what are the new methods or ideas that you have opted?
First, if you will watch English movie, then it will help you to improve your English speaking. And if you will do the mirror practicing, so you will be not a hesitated person, and so then you can talk to your friends in English. And
Okay, thank you. Nobody talked here about role plays.
Yes, sir, why not? That is very beneficial for us. If we will act like other people, it will give me that power so I can react like this. I will learn something new, definitely. I will try something new. So it can remove our hesitations, and it will surely boost our confidence, because whenever we try something different, it gives and it teaches us something new and different.
Very nice. How about talking to an unknown person in public? When you talk to an unknown person, does it help you to improve your English? Or what are the new ideas that you have related?
Yeah, if they are a good speaker, then we can observe new things from him or her. Because they use some words which we don't know. They use some sentences which we don't know how to use those words and those sentences. So we can learn many things from the speaker which we are talking.
All right. Pari, do you watch cartoons shows? Do you watch cartoon shows? But a lot of students of your age must be watching cartoon shows, right? Is there any possibility that if they watch English cartoon shows, will they help to improve their English or not?
Yeah, it will help they to improve their English speaking. And if Doraemon is a cartoon show, and it is coming in all the languages like Hindi also, English. So you can watch in English. Thank
So
you.
when you watch that in English, it gives you a lot of opportunities to understand how to express your feelings in English exactly. All right. In this technological era, Mr. Shivsankar,
Yes, sir.
how much benefits have you taken with the help of AI tools or other different technological things just for your speaking English? How much benefits have you taken?
Sir, I have taken many benefits, sir. I cannot explain in words, sir, because there are many benefits that I have taken. I use many websites through that I will connect to a random people and I'll talk to him in English. I use many apps. There are many apps through which we can talk to AI. And there is a website called PeerUp through which we can connect. We will connect to a random people and we can talk to in English.
Very nice. So this helps you to improve your communication skills or not?
Yes, sir. This helps me a lot to improve in my English journey.
Very nice, thank you. So these are the new techniques or some different, I know there are some of these are very traditional techniques which have been coming for a long time, but these are new things as well which he told. Role plays you can do, mimicry you can do, imitation you can do, right? There are a lot of activities which we want, you can practice that at home. Even if you don't have a partner, you can speak a lot. Okay, what's your point?
So, and the next thing that I am using, you should record your video, whatever you are speaking, and after that, record the just short video for 5 or 10 minutes. I would like to give you one last suggestion: build a daily practice habit, because if you are practicing daily in a small quantity, it will help you a lot. Studying a lot once a week will not improve your journey.
Very nice, thank
Daily
you.
practice will improve you.
Thank you. One last suggestion.
One last suggestion I like to give you that when you are listening to a speaker, so listen it carefully, because there are many things that you can learn new.
I hope you would have got a lot of points, a lot of ideas, a lot of methods to learn English to improve your communication skills. That's all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.